Hello everyone, greetings from Canada College. My name is yes, hi. My name is Chandrakeshav Singh from I'm a representative of Canada College. So today the session will be all about Canada College, right? The requirements, the classes, and the fee structure, the facilities Canada College provide. So it will be. I hope that this session will be helpful for you, and I will be trying to give you all answers. So after my introduction and after I will give a brief about Canada College, then I will take your questions, and you can write your questions in the chat. So I will be taking your questions one by one after I will finish my brief. Okay. So let's start with Canada College. So Canada College, it's serving education from last 40 years. So it's not a new institution. We are having experienced faculty members, and college college is located in main downtown Montreal, St. Catherine Street, center of the downtown, just next to Concordia University. Our so this is our location, and now let's talk about what programs we offer. We offer three programs: early childhood education, database administration, and business administration. All three programs are for 2 years, and 2 years leads to up to 3 years of stay back. And the let's talk about the requirements. I guess I'm clear about the programs. So now let's talk about the requirements. So we don't have any hardcore requirements. We have a very simple requirements. We need IELTS 6, not less than 5.5. We accept PTE 51, not less than 42. We accept TOEFL 70, and we don't care about your percentage. It should be pass. So this is the requirements we are having. We don't have any criteria of backlogs. So if you are finishing your degree in a given time and you are having 14-15 backlogs, you are okay to apply in our college, right? So this was the requirement for our programs. So I'm again repeating the our programs is early childhood education, database administration, and business administration. It will be a 2-year program. All programs are for 2 years and leads up to 3 years of stay back. Requirements I already told you. Now the fees. So fees will be 18,500 for the whole program. Yes. So 18,500 is the fees for the whole program. I know a lot of people think that why Canada College is asking for so low fees, right? Because a lot of as compared to other colleges in Montreal, they are asking for 13,000 or 14,000 for per year, but we are asking 18,500 for whole 2-year fees. It remind me my our owner of Canada College. So his mission is to provide the affordable education to everyone. So that is the reason he believed that we cannot do a business of education. So that is the reason our fees is so low. We are making the education affordable to everyone. He donates 80% of his income. You're not able to Rohit, you are not able to hear me. Can anyone just write if I'm audible to everyone? Can anyone type that yes sir, you are audible? So I will consider that I am audible. So I'm just moving ahead now. Okay, thank you so much, Rohit. Thank you so much. Yeah. So I was on that mission, right? So that is the reason we are keeping our fees so low. And I already told you that our owner is all, they give their 80% of profits to Africa for free education, right? And having less fees, we are not compromising with any facilities. Having less fees, then also we are sitting in the prime location, center of the downtown, just next to Concordia University, and our campus open till 10 p.m. in the night, right? So you can study there. You will be having a study place. You can study there. You can have access of library. You can have the access of our infrastructure. So it will be very good for you, because I know a lot of people, and from when you go there in the starting, you have very so much of limitations that you shared rooms or you don't have a space to study. So you can till 10 p.m. in the night you can study in our college. So this is the thing. And now let's talk about the classes. So for all the programs, our class, like for business management and early childhood, we are having classes for 2 or 3 days a week. 2 to 3 days a week. It can be 2 days, it can be 3 days. 15 to 16 hours a week. And for database administration, it will be 2 days a week and 12 to 13 hours a week. Let me just tell everyone, I am not taking questions right away. I will take your question after I finish. Okay, so please do not write it, because I will miss your questions. So when I will say that now you can ask me question, then you should write your questions. Okay, so yeah, these are the schedule of the college, right? And I have told you about the yes. So this is the thing about the college. Now I can ask you questions. You can write me your questions and I will answer it. So CAQ, I don't have any particular information about the CAQ, because the CAQ department is closed, so I cannot comment on that. Thank you, Rohit. Yes, it's a very nice question, right? Uh, it is a question or a statement, we can say, right? Yes, due to this situation, lot of people think that their kids will be not safe there, and lot of things, right? But study abroad, it's not just going there and study. Like now college are giving extra classes, they are giving online classes as well. For we are giving March online, we are giving online classes for Indian students. So in our March intake, a lot of Indian students are taking online classes. And what will be the benefit? So let me just tell you about the benefit. So suppose Rohit, me and you are the two students, and you try to defer your case, and I am enrolling in the online classes. So as you know, we don't know this situation will be how long will be this with us, right? So you will be keep on deferring your case, and I am studying, sitting at home, saving my lot of expense, and my parents will be not worried. Okay, and for example, take example, this situation will go till January, right? So you will be deferring your case till January, and I am completing my program till January. So I will be ahead, like I will be so many steps ahead to you. And if some points criteria or PR criteria or something of the other change, so I will be more lucky than you, because you will be deferring your case, or you will be taking more time to go there, and I am completing my program sitting at home, and I will be eligible for the work permit as well. So this is the benefit of the online classes. July intake is not happening. Because from I guess in Quebec, college will open in September. So July is not happening. It can happen in so our July intake will be happening on online. Thank you, Sunita. Yes, you can, Karan. I already told you, you will be getting up to 3 years of work permit. You can work. Any more questions, anyone? May intake is happening, right? It will be happening online. Any more questions, anyone? I'm waiting for the questions. And if anyone wants to apply for the program, you can contact to Apple Abroad. You can contact to Mr. Akshay, right? You can go on this Facebook page, message them. So these are the Apple Abroad is our official partner, right? Official agent. So they will help you in your process, and they will clear your all doubts as well. Current July intake is, I already told you, it's not safe, it's not happening, but it's happening online. You can join online classes, because from September the college will open. So you will be not waiting to defer. Yes, Dishu, July students will study online. Abhinav, online classes are very beneficial, very. So in our mindset, we have a mindset that why we go for online classes when we are paying for college to go and study there. I understand you are paying to college, but our main focus to get the work permit, right? To get the PGWP, and after that we can apply our PR, right? And obviously we have to study for that, and you will be wasting time to defer your case. So in the meanwhile, you can join the online classes. You can finish your program, 50% of program, sitting in India, and after the situation will be normal, everything will be safe. Your parents will not care. Obviously they will care, right? I'm so sorry, but they will be not that tensed, right? So it will be good to take online classes, because your main focus to get the PGWP, it is totally fine. It will be totally secure. You are eligible for PGWP if you are taking online classes. Thank you, Jitendra ji. Thank you. Karan, did you got your visa? Did you get your visa? Because after visa only you can apply for the online classes. If you don't have visa, you cannot apply for the online classes. You need to defer your case. Yes, Duolingo test is acceptable, but now we are closed for the September intake. We are taking application for January intake. Thank you, Vibhuti. You're welcome, Dishu. Any more questions? I will try to give answers of your all questions. So I'm waiting for your questions. You're welcome, Dishu. Thank you, Srishti.